Hello everyone and welcome to this YouTube. Today we're in the northern end up by Vashon Island, moving towards Blake Island. We're looking over at Three Tree Point on the West Seattle side. On the east side of Vashon, straight across, is another good Dungeness area. You can't go wrong. And over here off of the Allen Bank, it's really a straight area there of squareness. And you can do real good on dungies. Over here, along the northern end of Blake Island, you want to stay in that 60 to 70 foot of water. Oh, look at the bottom here. All sand and a few nice dungies. On Alki Point is another area moving towards the south, staying on the West Seattle side and working your way all the way down and staying in that 90 to 120 foot of water. If you want to launch your boat close to a good area to crab, I would recommend shoot over to Manchester and use the ramp and look. In this whole area of Manchester is nothing but good Dungeness crabbing. Remember, specialize in your technique when you want to catch these little critters. Use a scent and design your own scent. And really focus on how to catch Dungeness crab. Until next time, be safe out on the water and always wear your life jacket. Bye-bye, everyone.